Hi guys, I'm Jacob. And today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Folicrex before you decide to buy the product. I will pass on necessary information and important alerts to preserve your health, so pay close attention until the end of the video. I'm going to start by talking about a big alert. Due to the success of Folicrex on the market, you may find the product in many other places, but they are unreliable products, which may not be original and without quality, possibly harming your health. In addition to losing all your money, the guarantee is only applied to those who buy from the official website, so the original Folicrex is only available on this website. It is not available anywhere else, including online or in stores. And if you want to check it out, I left the site in the description below. Just click, and you'll go straight to the product's official page. But then how does Folicrex work? Folicrex improves the user's microbiome, which has a direct effect on the user's hair growth. With the right mix of ingredients, it is possible to improve hair growth by nourishing the scalp and the rest of the body. However, the only way this is possible is with the right balance of ingredients. The main ingredient behind the success of this formula is krill oil. According to lab tests, krill oil is quite efficient in dealing with inflammation effectively, which is why Folicrex works so well. With the health of hair follicles restored, they stop losing hair and the scalp becomes more fertile for growth. Also, the hair should grow back much thicker than before, making the wearer look younger. Folicrex is a very powerful supplement that is 100% natural, contains no allergens, and is perfectly safe. There are several detoxifying nutrients essential to maintain your healthy lifestyle. It has the highest quality ingredients, manufactured in state-of-the-art FDA-approved, GMP-certified facilities. And they undergo quality control inspections, so you can be sure it's completely safe. Folicrex has been taken by thousands of people with no reported side effects. To get the best results from the supplement, all you need to do is take 2 capsules a day. Many people have had great results, doing the correct and complete treatment. Of course, this depends on each person and each organism, and you may end up having better and faster results than other people. Many experts recommend a 3 to 6 month treatment to allow time to cleanse, restore and renew your body's cells, as well as prolong the results and long-term benefits. Another very important point of Folicrex is the guarantee. And the manufacturer is so confident in the potential of Folicrex, which offers a very good, 100% money-back guarantee for a full 60 days from your purchase. And if for some reason you're not satisfied with your results, just call or email us for a full refund, no questions asked. The purchase is completely safe with many security certificates. The platform is one of the most famous and secure in the world, always protecting your data and privacy, and has customer support, making the product really reach you. So, I hope I have helped in some way with this Folicrex review. And if you have any questions, leave a comment, so we can help each other and anyone else looking for Folicrex reviews. Thank you guys.